Okay, so we have the carb bowl off. What I want to talk about are a few things. We need to have the overflow tube. That guy over there, obviously it protrudes from the surface by 5 mils or so. It needs to be clear so that we can have overflow if the carb is leaking through the drain tube at the bottom. 90% of the carburetors I've worked on have not ever been able to be cracked loose at the carb bowl drain screw here. That's important if you want to do a float level check with a piece of pipe as a level, and we'll discuss that in a later video. But we'll try and get this guy loose and decrust everything. We're going to do a nice cleanup here. The other thing I wanted to talk about was the surface here. We want this gasket surface, as is everything, to be 100% flat. So I'm going to lap that with a diamond lap to make sure we've got at least 95 to 98% surface area that touches on the gasket.